we are getting more stuff for the Peugeot.
As usual.
Which is now hopefully being revealed. So I'll be allowed to actually upload a video. That'd be amazing, wouldn't it?
It would. This time we went shopping in the Auto Verve, which is the local car supermarket thing.
Car parts store, yeah.
Car parts store, that's the one. And
John, tell me how much we paid for the brakes and a stereo and speakers.
€145.
That's roughly 63% less than anywhere else.
As long as you install them yourself. That was the one stipulation.
Luckily we are mechanically minded, so let's get to it, John.
Yep.
Yeah. Removing the door cards so we can put new speakers in, hopefully, if they fit. Oh yeah, ratchet screwdriver. Always useful too. Oh, the door card was actually kind of hanging off, so we're just taking the speaker out, and hopefully the new ones we got, where are they?
Inside.
Inside. I'll go and walk over and show them. Hopefully these new speakers will fit. And honestly, I think they are going to be too small. Like, these are far tiny.
You know why your speaker wasn't working, right?
Oh, was it unplugged?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it just vibrated loose. John?
Yeah?
I think we may have a problem. These...
Mild issue.
Yeah, mild. Mild too. You've got tiny feet, because they don't fit in the back.
No, they fit in this one as well. They do a cheap.
If they were the same size. So I suppose we're going to the car shop again.
And get some modifiers.
Yep.
Yes?
Are there any adapter plates here?
Not at all. None.
Oh well, at least they were cheap.
But it's the right size speaker because that one's far too large.
Are you sure?
Don't quote me on this.
I'm not going to quote you on anything. I promise.
It's like 165mm, this one's 130.
Yeah, that's about right.
Maybe.
It's about 3 centimetres, about an inch.
Yeah.
Ish. So what now? Shall we go and ask?
Well, I know these fit in Mum's van.
Yeah, but my car is not Mum's van, is it?
Yeah, they may fit in the back.
Yeah, well, exactly. But let's go and ask first, and then let's see whether we have to buy some extra speakers for the front.
Hey, there's some cheap ones here.
There are. Oh, €50.
Yeah. Only slightly more expensive.
Right, okay.
Saddle crap pioneers.
Yeah, no. Right, let's go and ask. So we went to the car parts shop, and they didn't have an adapter plate for speakers. I don't think we need fuses, John. So we're just looking for a solution. Something that's not tape. I mean, we can fabricate an entire plate. We've got the tools to do it with. Angle grinder, tin snips, drill, locks. Ooh.
Rope.
Useful.
Stringed work.
Stringed work. Thankfully, we can speed this up and make it like 10 seconds worth.
Yeah, but I don't know where the tie wraps.
Come on, John. Find the tie wraps. Find the tie wraps, John. How long has it taken us? 3 minutes so far. Could be useful.
Yeah, but not for now. Yeah, this is where I expected it and couldn't find it.
Huh.
Hanging on the walls.
Point at me as well. Found them. So we are here with the Peugeot and we are trying to fix the audio system with zip ties. Oh. Well, like all other things on this car, Peugeot seems to have built it too well. There's no budging it. John, would you care to enlighten the people as to what we've done to fix our speaker problem?
Well, luckily, people have had this problem a lot. So you get these lovely plastic bits to expand your speaker.
Plastic bits to extend your speaker.
Yes.
Thank you for that highly technical explanation, John.
Hey, what
What
else
do you
is it supposed to be called? It's a plastic bit that expands your speaker.
What would you call it, Emil?
A plastic disc.
The adapts your speaker. Oh, right.
It's a speaker adapter. That is
Adapter. We've got it. Let's install it. Let's see whether that works.
Let's see if these spade terminals are actually the right size.
It's a spade terminal, John.
That's a spade terminal.
Doesn't look much like a spade, but carry on.
And of course, it's not. But, I'll just go get a saw.
No, you don't need that. I've got a Leatherman. Hey, John. Does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit, John?
Yeah,
Does it fit?
it'll fit if you
Does
give me
it
a
fit?
second.
Does it fit? Let's get a better angle. Does it fit?
Give me a second.
It's not fitting, John.
It will fit.
John, you've bought the wrong discs again.
No, they're actually the right discs. These are the forks. Yeah, this one's held in by 2 screws as well.
And people wonder why we lose screws. Is that the only Fools North thing? Oh no.
That's for you video now.
That's very simple. So that's where that screw goes.
Yeah.
We've got it on that side, so let's hope that doesn't come back to haunt us. That one was sounding horrible at that point.
It's a Sunday before Christmas. Let's be.
A hammer and a chisel looks like.
Basically. Yes.
Perfect. Funny bending inwards.
We got some off-price crack ties, some miles and miles of carpet tiles, TVs, deep freeze, and David Bowie LPs, pool games, gold chains, wuss names, and header push, and Trevor Francis track suits from a mush and Shepherd's Bush. Push, 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 push. No income tax, no VAT, no money back, and no guarantee. Black or white, rich or poor, we'll cut prices